Hey everyone, today I want to talk about this cool thing that's really helpful for me, and it's something I teach a lot of people in terms of getting your work stronger. And it's really quite simple. The idea is that from a distance, if your work is really exciting to look at, that's really great because you see it. That's what you see from far away. It's really amazing. But if you can also make the view when you're really, really up close exciting, that's even better. And the combination of having it look good close up and from far away, when those are combined, it makes everything much, much better. The other idea here is that if that close-up view is kind of different in feeling than the far away view, then you get even more interest, more differences in the work, and it kind of compiles and it makes the work exciting. So if you haven't thought about this much, or your work kind of works more on just one distance or one level, this might be something that could be helpful. So let me show you, check it out. So if I have a picture and I put a shape on, right? And that's kind of interesting. And then I add something else here. And then I, let's say, add another shape. And these could be paintings. These are just stand-ins for, for things that you would paint. This could be a landscape or whatever. I'm just trying to demonstrate, like, it's pretty exciting looking, right? We've got a lot of variety and a lot of things here to look at. This is kind of, this from a distance, this is kind of exciting to look at. Relatively. I mean, I just made it in 2 seconds. So you imagine this is really an amazing painting, but still, from a distance, if you looked at this far away, it's kind of exciting. There's sharp things, big things, different colors, your eyes moving around. Now, if I instead add to this by having more subtlety, when I get up close and look at this picture, there's words in here. It's all still very light, right? There's richness, there's lines in here. This piece of paper, this background, so to speak, there's a lot going on here. So then, this is what you can see when you come up close. You notice subtle things. And then, when you bring in these bold things, and you have them added in, this becomes even more exciting to look at. Do you get it? Suddenly, this experience is far more impacting. It gives the viewer more ways to connect. We've got subtlety, things that are subtle, things that are bold. There's much, much more interest in this. And as a result, there's more possibility for connection from the viewer. And this is why the viewers and people, generally speaking, are attracted to work that works close up and works from a distance. So what got me thinking about this idea was a really amazing conversation I had with a friend, artist, who actually uses nails and wood to make his art. His close-up view is really something else, and his far-away view is even more explodingly fascinating. I'm going to be sharing this conversation. I'll be doing this amazing interview with John Henson, who's an artist in Los Angeles, in Joshua Tree, and it's coming out in the podcast this coming Wednesday. So there's a link down below. You can go and you can subscribe. You can also go check out the last couple episodes. There's some really great stuff in there. We have an amazing Art to Life Artists free Facebook group. All kinds of artists from all over the world doing just amazing work. There's a link down below. Come on and join in. We've got some cool challenges coming up, and we'd love to have you there. All right, thanks so much. Hey everyone, if you found this helpful, I have a whole lot more to teach, share, and inspire you with every single week. So please join the Art to Life YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Okay, great. Let's do this.